Mwandiki mukaru ministry-inĩ ya githomo Belio Kipsang arokire gutongoria mihango ya kigeranio kia mwisho gia Kcse mwena wa Lang'ata guku Nairobi akiuga kigeranio giki ni kirathire na mbere wega thengia wa ihinda gukundera na kuona thutha wa maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCPE arutani na aciari ni maraikirie ihoya kuri thirikari gugetikira kuhe arutwo mieke ya mathukuru maria macagurite. Belio nioritie aciari matikagie na hahu kuona gutigakorwo na muthutukanio na mubango uyu ugatwarithio na njira ya waragania na gutigirira o murutwo ni etwo thukuru iria acagurite.
I'll give you assurance that we shall be transparent, we shall be fair, and we shall do the right thing to make sure that each kid gets a school that they chose and they deserve to be there.
Na hari mehaririria marutwo junior secondary, Belio augite ministry ya githomo ni kurikiriria rarikiriria mitaratara kiuga kiambiriria kia mweri wa Januari mwaka ukite kanjo ya kwandika arutani Kcse ni gakorwo mihango-ini ya guthomithia arutani na kumahaririria hari arutwo a junior secondary.
We were already guided by the Presidential Working Party and the pronouncement by the President that our junior school will be domiciled in our primary schools, and therefore the Cabinet Secretary, as he pronounced himself during the release of examination, will be leading the stakeholders in the beginning of the year to process and to engage on the guidelines.
Niongereire ati thirikari iri na mwihoko arutwo aria matirihire kigeranio gia Kcse umuthi ni magakorwo na maumirira mega taru na waria marekire KCPE guku akiuga mihango ya kumaka igeranio ici ikwambiririo rio niguo mbere ya thukuru ihinguritwo muthia-ini wa Januari maumirira maya ma Kcse magakorwo marekereirio.
We are looking forward to this other cohort of Kcse, the Form 4 group, to do equally good. Because notwithstanding the short time, our teachers were able to prepare our children in a way that it was like a marathon. On marking, most of us, as we go out to celebrate Christmas, we shall be hanging around to make sure that we are prepared to let our children know their status before the schools open on 23rd.
Na kurumirira mateta ma thukuru wa Moi Commonwealth County ya Bungoma megi maumirira marutwo ao murugamiriri munene wa kanjo ya igeranio Dr. David Jengere augite kigeranio kiao ni gigucokerwo kumakwo ringi amu ni undu mwitikiriku kiwatho.
They have the right to request for us to verify their results. So as soon as we receive this, we verify for each and every candidate. And that is the procedure that will be followed even in this case. As soon as they submit their query, we are going to verify.
Thukuru uyu urari na kiriro kinene makiuga maumirira maya timo maratanyite na kuria ministry ya githomo igirire ndeto ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.